my recipe for a new kind of dish that doesn't contain either meat or fish. In fact, it's not even any kind of normal food. And even if you try, it can't be chewed. I'm talking about West Sumatra. I'm talking about West Sumatra. So first take a liter of Maninjao Lake, mix it with some Sidi Nurabaya and let it bake. Put a spoon of Manda Island inside a small cup, and if something gets spilled, just remember to clean it up. I'm talking about West Sumatra. I'm talking about West Sumatra. If you want to make it more spicy and bizarre, Pachujabi is the perfect spice from Batu Sangkar. Just boil it with the Great Wall in Kutu Gadang, and don't forget that topping with some nasi padang. I'm talking about West Sumatra. I'm talking about West Sumatra. Be served in 1,000 different ways, but one thing is for sure, you'll have some amazing days. In Norway we would say something like Sinnssykt bra, while in Bahasa it would be Ransjak bana. I'm talking about West Sumatra. I'm talking about West Sumatra. About this hidden paradise, the people in this area is extremely nice. And while you're at the table, in fact it doesn't hurt to take a piece of durian ice cream for dessert.